The National Electrical Code, or NEC, addresses the use of power strips and extension cords in specific applications. Section 400.84 states that a single receptacle outlet, such as on a power strip, shall not supply power to more than one cord and plug connectors, appliance, or utilization equipment. Additionally, Section 406.14 C clarifies that an extension cord may not be used as a substitute for a fixed wiring system. These requirements, when interpreted, mean firstly, power strips must have their own dedicated power cord. Secondly, extension cords are intended for temporary use only and not as a permanent wiring solution. Thirdly, it is not permissible to connect power strips to other power strips, which is often referred to as cascading them. In the scenario described, the COTS used in the school environment are considered utilization equipment. Therefore, they must be plugged directly into a receptacle outlet. The practice of using a power strip with a coil drop cord is not compliant with NEC requirements, as it uses the extension cord as a permanent wiring solution. Similarly, using multiple power strips plugged into a single permanent uncart receptacle violates the prohibition on cascading power strips. Non-compliance with these NEC regulations can lead to several potential hazards and consequences. These include electrical hazards such as overloads, overheating, and short circuits. The risk of fire is also increased. Furthermore, there could be code violations and associated penalties. To ensure compliance with the NEC and the safety of students and staff, the school should implement a permanent power distribution system. This system should include a sufficient number of outlets to accommodate all the devices on the COTS. The use of power strips and extension cords should be avoided as a permanent solution. When power strips are necessary for temporary applications, each must have its own dedicated power cord plugged directly into a wall receptacle. The NEC provides clear guidelines on the proper use of power strips and extension cords to prevent electrical hazards and ensure safety.